Man, how can I earn some money right now? I know how. Through PayPal. What's going on, Grind family? Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn free PayPal money right now. If that sounds appealing to you, stay tuned. Yes, the new gear is here. It's out right now. We got t-shirts. We got hoodies. We got all different colors. Anything you want, we got it right now. Available at the App Grind store. So don't hesitate. Go cop the new gear right now while it's on sale. Link is in the description and bio. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn free PayPal money right now. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And soon I'm going to give away some free money. So please smash that like button and drop a comment down below. Tell me what country you are from. I can make sure that your country is covered when I do my making money online research. And please, if you're new, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. And to my returning Grind family members, thank you for your support and keep getting your grind on. All right, I don't want to take too much of you guys' valuable time. I'm going to go ahead and jump into this method. So please watch this video all the way to the very end because I have a special bonus I want to offer you guys. Don't skip anything, guys. All right, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can earn free PayPal money right now. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website. Now I'm going to tell you the name of this website in a few moments. Let me just go ahead and tell you what it's all about. Okay, it says here, share your opinions, earn a little extra. Get paid up to $10 for every survey you complete to spend on the things you love. So this is a survey website. And I know I talked about survey websites in the past, but this one is a little bit different. Instead of accumulating points for like other websites do, this website pays you right after you complete a survey. It pays you cash. You don't have to accumulate any points. So you'll click here to sign up. Let's scroll down here and read a little bit more about it. Make a little extra on the side and treat yourself or those close to you. We're experienced in working with leading brands who want to know what you think about their products and services. That's why we pay you for every single survey you complete, helping you to make a little extra on the side to spend as you wish, whether it's a treat for someone close to you or something nice for yourself. So right here is where you sign up at. You'll receive the survey and you'll get paid. Just like that. It's that easy. So the name of this website is Crowdology. So Crowdology surveys are quick and easy to fit into your day. So it takes in between 2 and 15 minutes to complete. And so, you can do this while you're on your way to work, over a cup of coffee, on your break. So this is real easy to do. And these surveys are not that long. You don't have to spend 30, 40 minutes on a survey for like 5 cents. So it also says down here, earn money from day one with Crowdology. The amount you get paid depends on the length and type of survey you take part in, starting from 40 cents going up to $10 or even more. And because you can withdraw money through PayPal as soon as your balance reaches $8, it's quick and easy to make a little extra. So it's real quick. When you get up to $8, you cash that out. So you can cash it out through PayPal. And when you get up to $10, you can cash it out through Amazon or this other platform, which I never heard of, called Codes. So to sign up, you just go to crowdology.com to get started. Now let me go ahead and go to the next website that's even better. Okay, I'm at the next website, and the name of this website is called Univox. So it says here, take surveys, earn rewards. So this is another survey site similar to the last one, similar to the first one I talked about. So it says here, devote time, take surveys, and share feedback on products you use. Get paid for it without leaving your chair. Do this being anywhere in the world. Now, what I said was good about this site, and even better than the other one, is as soon as you join, you get $2. So you get $2 right off the bat. You don't have to do any surveys or nothing. Just join this website, $2 into your account. So this is available at the App Store and Google Play Store. And here are the 3 simple steps. So you sign up and get instant bonus 200 points worth $2. Take surveys. We'll email you survey invites. The surveys will be quick and easy to answer. Earn rewards. Win exciting rewards for each survey you take. So now what is different about the other one, which I like the first website, survey site, is that this one you have to accumulate points. But the surveys are so short, you accumulate points so quick and fast, you'll be cashing out in no time. So let's read a little bit more. Univox rewards. As part of Univox community, each contribution makes you earn reward points that you can claim as multiple reward options available. So you can get cash out through PayPal, Virtual Master Card, Amazon, and Tango Card. So basically that's all to this website. So if you're ready to go ahead and sign up with this website, just go to univoxcommunity.com. All right, now you know the website you can go to right now that will allow you to earn free PayPal money right now. So go ahead and sign up with those websites and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. As promised, let me tell you about the special bonus. Now, if you could scroll down to the description below and click where it says free giveaways. Now, to get these free giveaways, you have to be subscribed to the channel. So make sure you click that button where it says subscribe, and it's going to turn gray. Just click it right now and watch it go from red to gray. After you subscribe to the channel, just scroll down in the description and click on the link where it says free giveaways. It's going to take you to a website, and at the bottom of that website you're going to see 3 free gifts, and that's for you guys to download. That's free from me to you. All right, that's all I have for this video. Please, before you leave, don't forget to smash that like button, and let's get up to 50 likes, because that really will help my channel if I can get up to 50 likes, guys. So if you want to help me and keep supporting me, hit that like button for me. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this video. and also tell me what country you're from. And please share this on the internet everywhere, because I want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss and be financially free. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this almost every day. All right, that's it. Again, thank you for the support, Grind family. Let's keep grinding. Let's keep grinding. Thank you, Grind family. Thank you for the support. And before I leave, I just want to say, get your grind on, because the grind is real. See you in the next video. Go watch my other videos. Peace.
This is App Grind TV.